I am in Silverhill, Alabama. It's November the 26th, 2014, the day before Thanksgiving. Silverhill is just east of Fairhope, and I've been told there's a beehive in a tree out here somewhere, and I'm going to see if I can find it. And if I can find it, then I'll try to get the bees out and put them in one of my supers. I was told that it's in one of these oak trees. Oh my God, there it is. It's out in the open. This is really weird. Bees normally get inside a cavity of a tree. This is really strange. Those combs hanging from that limb. Last week we had 20-degree weather out here. I'm surprised those bees are still alive because there's no way they can heat themselves in that open space. They aren't flying today. It's about 45 degrees. That is something to see. I've never seen anything like that before. That comb is full of honey and full of bees. Wow. So I'll come out here later on this afternoon and cut that comb from that limb and then put it into a deep super. Got to get up there. Wow, look at that. So, I figure out how to get up there this afternoon, and hopefully I can videotape that with my GoPro Hero 3 camera. We'll get that operation and see if anybody falls while we're doing it. It's a beautiful area out here. One more look at the bees up there. Ryan Dunn up on that ladder, getting that beehive off of the bottom of that oak limb. He's about to stir those bees up big time. They have to leave here real quick.
Yeah, look like they're after me. You didn't get that, did you? Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm just kidding. No Africanized bees in Alabama.
Silverhill, Alabama. The Wednesday after Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Gonna be a YouTube classic. brittle.
Uh-huh. All right, ladies. Be nice.
Okay, he's got a big, like a bread knife. He's going to cut that comb. Put those bees in that super he's got.
Come on, ladies. Be nice. Hey, look at that.
What?
I haven't even hit them and they getting mad.
Yeah, I'm sure. They going to fit in that box?
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get the most of it.
yeah. Okay, I'm going to shut this camera down and get away from here for right now.